How to fix phone number unavailable for iMessage and FaceTime. Here's what you want to do. Load up your iPhone settings and we will use the search bar to search for messages. Search for messages and click on the first option that pops up right here. Now from the messages app, people will scroll down until you see iMessage, which is going to be the screen, and you just want to uncheck this. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds and then you will toggle this back on. Here it's gonna tell us waiting for activation, and once this loads, this is going to become available for use, and that is how you do it. If it still doesn't work, one more thing that you can do is restart your phone. You will press the volume up key and the power key on your iPhone. Then you want to turn it off and turn it back on. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.